Hello everybody, and welcome to week 2, day 1 of our mobility program. Getting right into it, we're going to start off with our hamstring walkouts. Start by lying on your back, where you will then raise your hips up and make sure both feet are flat on the ground at your starting position. Place your elbows also into the ground if you want a little bit extra stability during this exercise. This is going to be working your glutes, hamstrings, and also core stability. You'll walk out each individual heel until your leg is almost fully extended, and then walking all the way back until your knees are at a right angle, and then repeat. Moving on, we'll be going towards a squat iso toe bend. So first off, we're going to be starting in a deep squat position. This is going to really warm up those adductors, increase that hip mobility, and then we will be driving each individual knee, so on opposite sides, past our toes, coming up to our toe knuckles on that foot, where we will then experience a little bit of an increase in ankle mobility and stability, while also working that coordination. Alternate between sides, where you will also be making sure that you will be sticking that opposite arm, so your left leg, your right arm down in front of you, in order to maintain a little bit more balance. Next, building on our ankle mobility and stability, we'll be using our heel walks. With this exercise, simply point your toes up towards the sky, and you'll be walking on your heels anywhere between 10 to 15 yards or 15 to 30 seconds for time. Now, this exercise will be improving your ankle stability and mobility, as well as working that dorsiflexion of the foot, meaning toe up, heel down. And this is going to accentuate a stretch in the calves, as well as work your anterior leg muscles. Repeating a previous exercise from last week, we'll be doing our side plank and external rotation. This will be assisting in your anti-lateral flexion, so working your core muscles, as well as mobilizing that shoulder joint. Remember to keep your feet stacked on top of each other, and to keep that elbow glued to your side, or as close to your side as your body permits, and that you are rotating that elbow out to the side. Moving forward with our shoulder mobility and stability, we're going to be doing our scapular protraction and retraction push-ups. Push-up position, incline or neutral, or you could even do this on a pull-up bar. Make sure that you are bringing your shoulder blades back and then protracting forward and pushing into the ground as you exhale, and make sure that you are bringing those shoulder blades throughout their entire range of motion. We're going to get into some new T-spine rotation today, so this is going to be an outside leg supported T-spine rotation. If you do not have a foam roller to support that outside leg, then use a backpack or even a stack of books. Start by placing your down arm out in front of you with your palm facing up, where then you'll place your outside arm on top of it. Begin sliding your top fingers past your bottom fingers as far as you can go. This will protract and set your shoulder blade in place. Once you reach your maximal range of motion, close the book and return to your starting position. Finally, we'll be performing some foam rolling today. Today we're only going to be focusing on our quadriceps, so making sure that you are working on that vastus lateralis, so the side of your quad and middle. Ensure that while you're performing this foam rolling exercise, that you're putting a lot of your weight on that target muscle, so that we can optimally express that fascia.